this video I'll explain how to create tasks in free RTOS. We will create two LED blinking tasks for Atmega 16 MCU, the task 1 and task 2. So our objective is to create task 1 and task 2, and task 1 will blink an LED with some delay, some T1 delay, and task 2 will blink an LED with some delay of T2. Okay, so let's first understand the structure of the main function. Now we have to include some basic header files. After that, we are doing the basic hardware configuration. So the first LED is connected to PA0 corresponding to task 1, and the second LED is connected to PA1 corresponding to task 2. PA0 and PA1 are the GPIO pins of port A. So we have to write 0 and 1 to the port pins to turn on or turn off the LEDs. So we have to configure the port pins in the output mode. So after execution of the first two syntaxes, PA0 and PA1 will be configured in the output mode. Now we have to call this function xTaskCreate, and we have to pass some parameters. The first one is name of the function that implements the task. Second one is descriptive name of the task. Third one is stack memory. Fourth one, we are not using this parameter and we are not passing any parameter to the task, so we are setting it to null. Fifth one is priority of the task, so priority is 1. The last one is task handle. We are not using a handle, so we are setting it null. Same as for task 2. This is the name of the function, and this task also has the same priority. Then we have to call this vtask scheduler API function. So this is a complete structure of the main function. Now let's understand the individual functions corresponding to task 1 and task 2. So this is the name of the function as we specified in the task create API function, and this syntax will toggle the LED. vtask delay will provide delay of 300 milliseconds. So this function accept that number of ticks. Here the tick clock is equal to 1000 Hertz. So 1 tick is equal to 1 millisecond. 300 ticks will provide 300 millisecond of time delay. Same as for task 2, 500 millisecond of time delay. And so this is the Proteus simulation, and the T1, the LED 1 which is connected to PA0 is blinking with delay of 300 millisecond, and LED 2 is blinking with 500 millisecond of delay.